अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है, हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में कम्पैक्ट सेट की डेफिनेशन पढ़ी थी। कम्पैक्ट सेट की डेफिनेशन क्या थी? टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस का ऐसा सबसेट जिसके हर ओपन कवर को हम एक फाइनाइट कवर में रिड्यूस कर सकें, उसे हम कम्पैक्ट सेट कहते हैं। और लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने एक थ्योरम प्रूव किया था, कंटिन्यूस इमेजेस ऑफ कॉम्पैक्ट सेट्स आर कॉम्पैक्ट। इस लेक्चर में हम एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट रिज़ल्ट प्रूव करेंगे। हम ये प्रूव करेंगे कि कॉम्पैक्टनेस एक एब्सोल्यूट प्रॉपर्टी है। तो इसको प्रूव करने के लिए हम सब स्पेसेस या रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी की नोशन को रिकॉल करते हैं। Let A be a non-empty subset of a topological space X T. The family TA of all intersections of A with T open subsets of topological space X is a topology on set A. It is called relative topology on set A, and the pair ATA is called a subspace of topological space XT. इस डेफिनेशन में बताया जा रहा है कि अगर टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस XT हो तो इस स्पेस X का सबसेट A हम लें तो इस सबसेट पे इस टोपोलॉजी से एक टोपोलॉजी इंड्यूस हो जाती है, जिसे हम रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी ऑन A कहते हैं। इस टोपोलॉजी में ओपन सेट्स कैसे होते हैं? वो तमाम ओपन सेट्स टोपोलॉजी T के जिनका इंटरसेक्शन A के साथ लें तो जो रिज़ल्ट आएगा वो इस रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी TA के ओपन सेट्स हैं। और इस ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ATA को हम सब स्पेस कहते हैं, सब स्पेस ऑफ टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस XT। In other words, a subset H of set A is a TA open set, that is open relative to A, if and only if there exists a T open subset G of X such that H is G intersection A। तो इस relative topology TA के open sets दरअसल इस फॉर्म में होते हैं G intersection A for G open set of topology T। Example, consider the topology on T on this set of 5 elements A, B, C, D and E. You can see that this family T satisfies the axioms of topology on X, that is X and empty set are members of this family T, and whenever we take a subfamily of this family T, then the union of that members of that subfamily is again a member of this T, and intersection of two members of this family is again a member of this family T. If we take the subset A of set X, observe that when we take intersection of members of topology T with set A, we obtain these 6 sets. Open set X intersection A is A. Open set A intersection A is singleton set A. Open set ACD intersection A is this set AD, and similarly empty set singleton set D, or set whose members are D and E. So the relative topology TA on A consists of these 6 elements: empty set, set A, singleton set A, singleton set D, set of 2 elements A and D, and set of elements D and D. This is a topology on A and called relative topology on A. Example 2. Consider the usual topology U on real line R and the relative topology UA on the closed interval A from 1 to 5. Note that the closed open interval 1, 3 is open in relative topology on A. That is, it is a UA open set. Since this closed open interval from 1 to 3 is the intersection of these two sets, intersection of A with this open set, which is open interval from 0 to 3. Thus we see that a set may be open relative to a subspace but be neither open nor closed in the entire space. हम देखते हैं कि relative topology में एक सेट ओपन सेट हो सकता है, लेकिन ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो ओपन या क्लोज्ड सेट हो बड़ी स्पेस में. तो कंपैक्टनेस इज़ एन एब्सोल्यूट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए सेट. इस बात का मतलब क्या है? इस बात का मतलब ये है कि अगर हमारे पास किसी टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस X का कोई सबसेट कंपैक्ट सेट हो तो उस सेट के लिए रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी की रिस्पेक्ट से भी वो सेट कंपैक्ट सेट होगा. और ये बात कन्वर्सली भी ट्रू है कि अगर टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस का कोई हम सबसेट लें और उसके लिए रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी कंस्ट्रक्ट करें, अगर वो सबसेट रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी में कंपैक्ट सेट है तो फिर यकीनन वो बड़ी स्पेस का भी कंपैक्ट सेट होगा. थ्योरम है 11.2 चैप्टर 11 का सेकंड थ्योरम है, लेट A be a subset of topological space XT, then A is compact with respect to topology T if and only if A is compact with respect to the relative topology TA on set A. हम चूँकि इन दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स के दरमियान if and only if आ रहा है, तो इस बात का मतलब ये है कि इस if and only if से पहले वाली स्टेटमेंट का ट्रूथ हमें इस दूसरी स्टेटमेंट का ट्रूथ इम्प्लाई करता है और दूसरी स्टेटमेंट का ट्रूथ पहली स्टेटमेंट का ट्रूथ इम्प्लाई करता है. तो हम यहाँ पर नेसेसिटी को देखते हैं कि अगर ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू हो, ए कंपैक्ट हो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टोपोलॉजी टी, तो फिर ज़रूरी है कि ए कंपैक्ट होना चाहिए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी टी ए ऑन ए. प्रूफ इसका बहुत सिंपल है. हम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि ए कंपैक्ट है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टोपोलॉजी टी और फिर रिलेटिव टोपोलॉजी में हम इसका ओपन कवर ले लेते हैं. टेक एन आर्बिट्रेरी ओपन कवर से H, whose members are HI, which is a subfamily of relative topology TA of A. That is, A is contained in the union of members of this open cover H with respect to relative topology. Then definitely by the definition of relative topology, each HI is actually GI intersection A for open set GI of topology T. So this family G consisting of such GI is an open cover of A with respect to topology T. Why? Because we can write from this inequality 1 that A is contained in union of HI's and each HI is GI intersection A. We can write it as union of GI intersection A. And as A is contained on this in this set on the right hand side, so A is a subset of A. It means A must be a subset of union of GI. That is, this family G is an open cover of A. But since this is an open cover of A with respect to topology T and we have assumed that A is compact with respect to T, this means that this open cover is reducible to a finite subcover, or this open cover contains a finite subcover. And we say that this finite subcover is G star consisting of GI1 up to so on GIM. That is contained in the finite union of the members of this G star. But then for each member there is a member in the relative topology GI1 intersection A, which is HI1. And if we take intersection on both sides with A, then A is contained in this intersection and A is contained in this, if we use the distributivity of intersection over union from the right, then we obtain this. But this is Hi1, this is Hi2, and so on, Him. This means A is contained in the finite union of the members of H star, which is a subfamily of initially taken family H, which is an open cover of A with respect to relative topology. And this means that this family H star is a finite subcover of A with respect to relative topology T A. Hence, we have reduced open cover H to a finite cover of A with respect to relative topology. It means A is compact with respect to relative topology TA. Now we prove the other way around. Conversely, or the sufficient condition, we assume A is compact with respect to relative topology and use this to prove that A is also compact with respect to topology T. For this, we take an arbitrary open cover of A with respect to topology T, that is, A is contained in the union of these GIs. But for this open cover, we construct the open cover of A with respect to relative topology. That is, we construct the family H consisting of HIs, which are GI intersection A. And it is definitely open cover of A, but as we have assumed that A is compact with respect to relative topology TA, this means that this open cover of A with respect to relative topology TA is reducible to a finite cover. So there is this finite subfamily Hi1, Hi2 up to so on Him of relative topology TA, such that A is contained in the finite union of these open sets with respect to relative topology TA. But each Hi1 is Gi1 intersection A and so on, and by using the distributivity of intersection over union, we can write it as this, and this means that A is contained in the finite union of open sets of this family G, and consequently this finite open cover which is subcover of G is a cover of A with respect to topology T. Accordingly, A is compact with respect to topology T.